Since its creation in 2006, Ciel Terre's purpose has always been to deploy renewable energy projects while preserving land. This is based on a simple assessment. Land is very precious for ecosystems. Depending on the area of the world, land can be scarce or useful for basic human needs, agriculture, housing, for example. At first, we developed large rooftop solar projects in France. They were built with our own patented racking system, making PV panel installation easy on large-size rooftops. But then I thought we would need more than these rooftops if we wanted to make solar energy a very large source of power. One day, over a very large piece of inland water in southern France, I had like a revelation. Man-made water areas could and should be used for providing solar energy.
We have believed in a new genesis for solar, with a gigantic potential considering the availability of many water bodies. So, since 2010, we've fully dedicated ourselves to floating solar to pursue our purpose differently, integrating floating solar projects on disused pond sites to respond to space optimization needs. Only 2 years after the designing and prototyping of Hydrelio, we pioneered floating solar with our first megawatt scale in Japan. The need for renewable electricity was important, and land scarcity is an issue there. We grew up like a Japanese company, culturally speaking, with a mindset of precision and rigor. One step after the other, we opened several offices on several continents. We are now in Europe, in USA and Asia. Our team, who counted 5 people at the very beginning, now counts more than 200 Ciel Terres around the world.
Our first megawatt-scale floating PV plants was built in Japan on an irrigation pond. Back then it was a real challenge because we were trailblazing the technology. Today, the floating PV plants we designed and built thoughtfully can face way more demanding conditions, as they are, for example, installed on hydrodams or near shore. Our experience is unmatched. Over almost 15 years of floating solar, we have made possible 325 projects, from 2 to 200 megawatt peak. We have worked on different water body types with more and more technical challenges in implementing floating solar under specific weather conditions.
Year after year, we have collected key insights from the field. We optimize our solution for higher performance and we adapt them to the PV industry evolution. For instance, the increasing size of the PV module. We now reach a point where we develop new innovative systems to meet specific needs and enable more challenging applications. Based on our solid international return on experience and customer listening, we have widened our scope to a full floating scope.
We are constantly making progress on 2 fronts, providing ever more reliable technical solutions for the floating platform and its anchoring system, and offering a smart support with design, construction and maintenance services. All this continuous improvement is crucial for us to offer quality products and services and to ensure that the floating PV plants of our clients are reliable and durable. Because we aim to make floating PV an essential energy worldwide.
The floating solar potential worldwide reaches 4 terawatts. Over 10 years, we materialized 1 gigawatt of floating solar projects. We engineered, manufactured, installed them. We proved floating solar was possible and we spread it around the world. We proved hundreds of times that it is a perfect solution if done with expertise, care and responsibility, as we do.
Floating solar is not a dream anymore. It's a proven reality. It's competitive, it's reliable, it's locally integrated.
We are now looking to deploy it further and faster. Anyone is welcome to share the global floating solar adventure, which grows and matures.
We must all thoughtfully act for a more sustainable world.